Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create line chart in Elementor using RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your WordPress. So let's get started. First, you need to go to the element and you'll see the line chart in RTMKit general, and then after that you need to drag and drop it in the container like this one. You need to drag and drop it down here, line chart. And if you want to present your data to your website, this line chart is really good to show your data. Here you can change the name of your data, like user experience, and here you can change it. You click, you can change it, the name of this one, data 1. You can change this number from 50 to 70, and you can see that in here 70. You can change it repeatedly like that one. You can change the name. For example, you can change it data 1 to another name, so when people look at it, the name is already changed in that point. And you can go to the style. If you want to change the point style in here, you can go to circle to rectangle. You can change the point size as well. You make it bigger. Here you can see it, and you can change color as well, color that you like. For example, red. You can see that. So the border also, you can bold it. Here's the table, the line chart. And for the scale, for the typography, you can change it as well. For the scale, for the size, now you can see it, and change the typography and show X as well here. And for the legend in here, you can put it on the top or on the left. Yeah, now we can present it your data with Elementor using line chart. But first you need to install RTMKit first. In RTMKit website you have the link. So thank you.